In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can remove your TikTok profile picture. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video.
First, open your TikTok app, and here you can see this is your profile picture. And if you click it and long press it, it's going to give you this option that says change photo, but you don't see any option to delete it. So what you can do to remove it is you have to go to the Chrome browser or any browser that you're using and search for TikTok default profile picture. And it's going to bring you to this page, and here you have to go to images. Now choose the one with the best resolution, and you have to simply click that picture and then click and hold press. And then it's going to give you this pop-up, and here you have to click save image in and then click save in photos. Now go back to your TikTok, and here you have to click change photo. Simply click and hold this picture of your profile and click change photo. Now select the picture from your gallery and then click save. Once you do so, it's going to upload this picture, and then if you go back, and here you can see it has now removed your profile picture and it's like the default one. And that's how you do it.